Hey everybody, for the student center lesson on task 2, you might have to use a protractor. I'm guessing some of you might not remember how to use a protractor, or you might have a protractor at home. So this video, I'm going to remind you, 1, how to use a protractor, and 2, how we can make do without a protractor. So here I have 2 lines that are parallel, the light green line and the orange line, being intersected by a transversal as the purple line. Now I switched the contrast around so it's easier to pick up what's going on here. So the way I'm going to use a protractor is you'll notice there's a little hole right there. That hole goes at where the 2 lines intersect. Now there's a 0 marking. Oh, I have it backwards. There's a 0 marking right here and right here. Those have to go on one of the lines. So one line should go through both 0 markings, and the other line will go through a number up here that'll tell you the actual measurement. So I'm going to put the hole right here where the purple line and the orange line intersect. Put my zeros on the purple line, and I'll see the orange line has a measure of 40 degrees, which means this top angle right here is 40 degrees. Now I can measure another one over here. So I go over here to the teal line and the purple line. I'll put the 0 back here at where the teal line and the purple line intersect. It's at 0. And I can see that angle is also 40 degrees. So I've identified some angles that might be congruent. I could also go over here and put the zeros on the orange line, put the circle at where the purple and the orange line intersect, and I can see that the purple line has a measure of 140 degrees. Right? So that's how I can use a protractor. If you don't have a protractor at home, one way you can get around it is by using just a piece of paper that I've cut out, and you want to be careful. Make sure you're using Crayola, well not Crayola, but just washable markers for this. Now I'm going to take a marker and I'm going to trace the angle. You might have to reverse the colors here. The only reason why I reverse the colors is so that you guys can see better on the video. I'm going to trace that angle. I'm going to call it angle 1. I'll go down here and I'll maybe trace another angle. Once again, I'm using washable markers in case I happen to go off the paper. Then it'll be easy to clean off my screen. So this is angle 2, and I can kind of match up and say, oh, this one's the same as angle 2. Hey, this one's angle 1. Oh, that's not the same as angle 1. Oh, but that one is. And I can see that way the different, which angles are congruent that way. So hopefully that's helpful. Once again, in order to change the color, if you have to invert your color, click here on the wrench, go to reverse color, and it'll take it back to normal. So hopefully that video was helpful. And if you have any questions, my email is at the bottom of the task 2 page.